Hey everyone, my name is Olaf and today I'll show you how to make a stock ticker in Python in just 5 minutes. It's going to be quick and easy, so let's get started. Before I start the tutorial, I would recommend downloading Anaconda at anaconda.com, which is the most popular Python data science platform. And that way you don't have to download pandas and libraries like matplotlib manually. So just download the 3.6 version and then we can start the tutorial. And when you go into Anaconda, you have all you need except one extra data module that we need to install manually. So go into environments and not installed, and then search for pandas, and make sure to enable the pandas data reader. And if it doesn't show up, I'm now going to show you how to install it so that it does show up when you search for it. So let's go to the terminal and install it. So let's search for terminal, and this works both for Mac and Windows. So I'm just going to type in terminal, and now we need the installation line to install it. So let's go back to the browser and then copy the text under pandas data reader. You will find the link in the description. Control C or Command C, and then just paste it in to the terminal or code run and click enter. And since I already installed it, it's just going to say that I already have installed it. So that's how you install pandas data reader. And let's go back to Anaconda and finish the installation of the package inside Anaconda. So just click apply, and I'm speeding up this part. If we now go into installed, you will see that pandas data reader is installed. So let's launch Spyder, which is a Python development environment. And because we're going to use Yahoo Finance for the data, we need to allow internet connection. So before I start typing in the code, I would just recommend saving the Python file. Just save it wherever you want on the computer. Just going to call it stocks tutorial. And the code starts off with datetime, which is a module for manipulating dates and times. And then import matplotlib, which is a Python 2D plotting library. And then import matplotlib style, which we will use later. And then import pandas, which is a powerful Python data analysis toolkit. And next we will import the ggplot style for the graphs. And start is a variable that tells the program when you want the stock data to start. So let's set it to 2006 and the day and the month. And then for the end, which is the last date you want the stock data from, let's set it to 2017 in December. And let's collect the data from Yahoo. And then we can insert the name of the stock and then start and end date. So let's go to the New York Stock Exchange and then find some stocks that we can use for our graph. So to find it, just search for New York listings and then select the first link. And what I'm going to do first is to use the Sony stock. So just type in Sony, and there we'll find the symbol, which is SNE with capital letters. So just copy SNE, and then let's go back to the Python script and write in SNE. And in the graph, we're going to see the adjusted closing price. So write in DF and then adjusted close, so ADJ close. And the adjusted closing price is the stock's closing price on a given day. And then write the plot show function to show the graph. But before we can run the script, you need to open the IPython console. And when it's done, we can finally run the script. So to run the script, you need to click the green play button. And after a few seconds of running the file, we're going to see the graph. And this is the Sony graph from 2006 to 2017, as you can see. But now let's pick another stock. So let's type in Ferrari, for example, and the symbol is race. So just write in race with capital letters. And when we run the script, you will see that Ferrari was listed in 2015, so you can't really see the graph from 2006. So let's pick a new stock, for example Apple, and set the date to 2002. And as you can see, we will now see the graph from 2002 as well. And then at the end, let's print the stock name and the dates for the graph. So just write Apple stock price from, then plus string, the start value, plus 2, and then plus string end. And by using string, we can convert the dates to text that you will see below. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe.